Hello everyone, this is Lecture 2, Class 9, Subject English, Chapter 1, The Lost Child. In this lecture, we will discuss some key points of the homework questions which I gave you in the last lecture. Question number 2, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? The things which the child wanted were burfi, balloons. He was attracted to the music of the flute of the snake charmer, and the biggest thing that he got attracted towards was the roundabout. Then he moved on without waiting for an answer, as he knew that his parents would not heed to his demands. Next, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? So how did he realize that he has lost? Because his parents did not reply. He got scared, felt insecure, ran here and there looking for his parents. And his insecurity has been described. His turban got untied, clothes became dirty, and he was screaming at the top of his voice. Next question. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Key points for this answer. So he lost the interest in the things which he wanted earlier because he was sad as he has lost his parents. Sweets, flowers, balloons and all such things lost all their charm, and he wants to reunite with his mother and father. Last question. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? The key points. The ending of the chapter is not given. The ending of the story is not given. So we can assume, and I think that the stranger might have helped him. The person who took him up in his arms have definitely helped him. The boy finds his parents standing at the fair reception. As in every fair, there is one reception for the announcements to be done for the lost people. So that stranger might have found his parents, might have helped that child in finding his parents with the help of that announcement only. So you can use such relevant points in your answers to frame your answers well.